How do you feel?
I'm freaking exhausted.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, this evening, it is 11:53 p.m. and we're about to install a new vanity. So, let's go with it. Yeah.
How do I do it?
Project update. We're gonna clean all of this out. I'm gonna unhook all the water lines, turn them off, unhook the plumbing. Hopefully we can make the plumbing work. If not, we'll figure it out. Take this out, bring the new unit in. The unit we got is 24 inches. This is 19. So,
Big difference.
yep. Cool beans. Alright, so now the tough job of getting this thing out of here.
Use those muscles.
So I've got to take this off somehow.
Watch me get it.
Okay, go for it.
No, it's not doing nothing.
Alright, I've got an idea.
Okay, I'm done. Oh. Stuff's happening. Oh yeah. There we go.
Woo!
Woo!
Woo! Oh man, this isn't good. Alright, so we had to make an emergency trip to... So we gotta cut off some trim to make it fit.
We're gonna wake the dead.
Is it really that loud?
Yes.
Alrighty, so we got the trim cut out, and now just to fit this into place. Oh, also, I'm in new threads because it's day 2. Alright, let's get this done.
Is it in?
Like a glove!
Like a glove. Okay, sit on the toilet. See how that feels. Japan.
Cozy.
Good. Cozy. Okay, now try to move it. Boom, nice and tight.
Okay, now we need to put the sink top on.
Sink top with the Carlos.
With the Carlos.
Pop that sucker out. Or not. Muscles. They did not want it to come off.
No, when you build something, you usually don't want it to come apart.
Yeah, but they overkilled everything. There you go. we hook things up?
So we're just tightening the hoses down
Is there a
to...
light under there?
Huh?
Did you put a light?
No. It's from the sink.
Oh.
Go up top. Hello everybody. So we are just tightening down the hoses
Oh! I hit my back.
for the sink. How'd you hit your back?
On the thing.
Oh.
Oh.
You alright?
No, I'm dead.
Alright everybody, we are almost done. Just gonna put on some hardware and then give it the old test.
Y'all, look at our new sink.
Don't back up too much.
Thought I was closer to the wall. These videos, I'm gonna have to edit a lot.
Why?
I'm a mess.
You are.
Just a lot of things happen to me when I try to record.
Alright everybody, we are almost done with the vanity. So we got this stuff in from Amazon yesterday, and I've got some trim to put up right here and right there. We're gonna take this off, put the new stuff on. The reason why we went with this cheap kind of plastic stuff is, one, we used this stuff in the past. That's been on for about 1.5 years and it's done great. Easy to keep clean, don't have to worry about grout, it doesn't take up any space because it's like paper thin, and I mean, for what the house is, it looks good. So again, this is like an 860 square foot home, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, got a really good deal on it, and this is a stepping stone to, you know, our next home. This is going to be an investment property. So kind of trying to be smart with the money that we invest into the place. So that's kind of where we're at. So yeah, now to measure, cut the trim, and install the little backsplash. 13 5/8. Yep. Now to figure out how to cut this the best way, because it's really cold and I don't want to go outside. Well, we're outside and it is sleeting. There's ice on things, but we're gonna bust out the miter saw and get it cut right. Let's go see if that fits. Like a glove. Alright, cool. I'm telling you guys, this stuff's pretty hardcore. It's the real deal, people. Woo! Takes some real finger strength. I do not recommend brushing your teeth with this. That would be bad. Full disclosure, I didn't read the instructions. I don't know what I'm doing. I was just kind of winging it. And we're just gonna shove it on in there. Yes. Kelsey and I have plans to repaint. We're gonna repaint all the white stuff white, and all the tan beige stuff, we're gonna repaint that gray. So I think it'll look nice with this. And eventually we're gonna replace that and make that white. Without further ado, here's this stoof. Pretty cool, pretty swanky. Look, yeah? Think it's gonna look good? I think it's gonna look good too. Let's time-lapse this. what's up, everybody? That about wraps up the project. We had a lot of fun doing this. Fairly simple build considering we've never done this before, so if we could do it, you guys could do it too. Comment down below what we did right, what we did wrong, what you would do different. That'd be a big help to us to be better craftsmen and to learn. So we love to learn. Hopefully we'll have the shower video up for you guys soon. We post Tuesdays and Fridays, at least try to, as long as our main work schedules allow. Almost tripped. This was awesome. Completely changes the feel of the bathroom. I'm super satisfied with it. There's a couple things we gotta button up, but for the most part, it's done. It's functional, it works, it's great, we love it. So like, comment, subscribe, join the community, help us build something cool here, be a part of it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Try to answer everything. So you guys be blessed, be good people, and peace out.